All right, this is your science test for chapter 3. Okay, it says matter. He's dealt with the 3 states of matter. Number 1 says, what are the 3 states of matter? What are they? Good. So if I want to write in a complete sentence, just use part of the question. The 3 states of matter are solids, liquids, and gases. And that's it. If you put this solids, liquids, and gases, still give you credit, but you always want to answer questions in a complete sentence. Now look at number 2. What has the greatest mass? Okay, greatest mass. Not necessarily the heaviest, but the greatest mass, meaning the biggest.
A pumpkin?
So what would have the greatest mass? A mountain, right? That would have the greatest mass. It's like the biggest. A speck of dust is like a little dot. A boulder, depending on the size, right? And a pebble, that's like a little stone. Obviously, which one would have? Which of those is actually the biggest? Takes the most space. A mountain does, for sure. Okay. Which of these has the least mass? Now I'm looking at something smaller. A crayon, a bicycle, a gallon of milk, or a laptop.
A crayon.
A crayon. Definitely for number 4, 5, and 6. Just says complete each sentence with the word solid, liquid, or gas. So A blank does not have a definite shape. It sometimes takes the shape of its container and sometimes flies freely around you.
Yeah.
Gas. Okay, 5, a blank does not have a definite shape. It takes the shape of its container. It does have a definite volume because it can be measured.
Liquid.
It's a liquid, yeah. Liquid. And obviously, you can see that the words are right here, so you definitely need to know how to spell them correctly. And obviously, number 6, it does have a definite shape. It does not need a shape of its, does not take the shape of its container. Okay. And it also has a definite volume because it can be measured. Obviously, it's a solid. Solid. Look at 7. What happens to water when it evaporates?
It turns into a gas.
Yes, turns into a gas. Like when you're boiling water, doesn't the steam go up into the air?
Yeah.
That's evaporation.
Only something hot.
When it's boiling, it evaporates. B turns into a gas. Look at number 8. What causes water to evaporate? Is it A, warm temperatures, B, cold temperatures, C, electricity, or D, food coloring?
Warm temperature.
Warm temperatures, because the temperature is rising and it's getting hotter and hotter and hotter. A. Now look at that list. We have shampoo, carbon dioxide, ice cube, pencil, gasoline, and helium. You have to tell me if it's a solid, liquid, or a gas. Shampoo?
Liquid.
Liquid. Carbon dioxide?
Gas.
Ice cube?
Solid.
Solid, yeah. Pencil?
Solid.
Solid as well.
Liquid.
The gasoline?
Liquid.
You're like, but Mr. Martina, it says gas on it. Yes, but gasoline is the liquid that you put inside your car to make it go. So that's a liquid.
Gas.
And then helium is obviously the gas that goes into the balloon that makes you go up into the sky. That's a gas. And then 9, 10, 11, and 12, it says fill in the blank. Okay, something happens when ice turns into a liquid. Melting. Excellent. Okay, when liquid turns into ice. Freezing. When liquid, blank is when liquid water slowly dries up and turns into vapor. Evaporating, good. Evaporating. And then when liquid water is heated to a high temperature and quickly turns into water vapor.
Boiling.
Boiling. Boiling. That's right. Excellent.